You're a sleepy thought that's running through my head. You're a sleepy thought that's running around, and I am trying to catch you. You're a liquid dream that's floating in and out of all of my thoughts. You're a liquid dream. I'm drowning in a lake of silver mercury bubbles. You're faintly a blur. You shatter all illusions of my clarity. You're faintly a blur. A charcoal drawing I left out in the rain. You're a sleepy thought that's running through my head. You're a liquid dream that's floating in and out of all of my thoughts. And you're faintly a blur. You shatter all illusions of my clarity. And you're a sleepy thought. And you're a hazy sunset. You open up and fill my horizon. You're a hazy sunset. You fill my mind with colors that I never imagined. You're the softest silk, a fluid whisper in my ear. You're the softest silk, caressing every fold of skin on my rough body. And you're a sleepy thought that's running through my head. You're a sleepy thought that's running around, and I am trying to catch you. Jaws all drop at the candy shop when we walk in the store. It's a frightening display. mothers hide their children's eyes and hurry towards the door. I don't even want to know the things that they will say, but they can't take our love away. No, they can't take our love away. Try to eat on Crawford Street on a summer afternoon, but we're just met with cold dismay. The owner storms our table and he takes away my spoon and says we're not some kind of new cafe where freaks like you are on display. But he can't take our love away. No, he can't take our love away. Whoever said that love is blind, he didn't understand mankind. What it really meant to say is that love can't see shades of gray. Big old guns in Washington, they like to kill our fun. Man, they sure won't